Today we're going to explore Malaysia's iconic Suria shopping mall, which is beneath the Petronas Twin Towers. Just from visiting Suria shopping mall, which is beneath the Twin Towers, you can tell that it's a premier shopping destination because it has like over 300 shopping stores, which includes my favorite restaurants. So there's a lot of eating places here in Suria shopping mall, and this is one of the tallest towers, not just in Malaysia but in the world. So let's go ahead and check it out. Wow, how do we get over there?
This is the platform we're supposed to get on.
Oh, okay.
That's where I came from to come here.
Okay, I think you meant like we have to somehow get.
Don't be silly, it's underneath. Do you want to sit down with them?
What's up?
This building is here.
Oh, here?
Yeah. One of those buildings there.
What's the name of this place?
KL Central. KL Central, but the mall is called New Central. Everything is interconnected here. So, I mean, okay. We need to go up.
Go up.
Yep.
Oh, you have a safari here.
Yes. We have lots of things, my friend.
I see. A lot of shopping.
Yeah, a lot of shopping. Now you see why I avoid malls.
Tempting.
Yes.
Public transportation here in Malaysia is not expensive, and because everything is organized here, it's easy for you to read and figure out how to get to your next destination. So you shouldn't have a problem. And if you've been following my journey, you should know by now that in Asia, my favorite country is Singapore, but Malaysia is becoming a destination I enjoy just as much. The only difference I see is Malaysia is cheaper and it's a bigger country. If you're a woman traveler thinking about visiting here, or if you're anyone who just enjoys shopping, then you'll love Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, because their shopping malls combine your premier flagship high-end stores along with your regular retail stores. And of course, while you shop, you might want to get a snack or eat. And here in Malaysia, there is a variety of eating places you can try along with different varieties of foods. So this is one place you want to visit. Having lunch inside the Suria shopping mall, we decided to come out so you can catch a view of the surroundings outside the shopping mall, which includes the Petronas Twin Towers above. It comes and just hang?
Yes. So we're going to walk around the park now.
Okay.
So at least you get to see everything. It's a very nice place, isn't it? Ish.
And no rain.
I told you.
100%
It rained
chance.
yesterday. It rained yesterday.
What time?
Um,
Before I came?
yeah, before you came. It was pouring in the afternoon. We can go inside the woody areas. This is a bit cooler as well. I think the aquarium is down this side.
Okay.
And this is Mandarin Oriental.
Okay. If you do decide to visit Kuala Lumpur, check out the Petronas Towers because it's an iconic landmark, along with the mall beneath the towers. As you can see outside, there is a park. So why not come and visit here, because you have many things to do and to see all in one location. When I do revisit here, I'm already thinking about staying within this area just based on the entertainment options in this area. As I highlighted in the beginning of the video, you have this mall which is beneath the Twin Towers, but this mall has everything you can think of, from high-end fashion, movie theater. You go outside, there's a park, there's an aquarium within walking distance, and within this park you can get your exercise on. You can run or jog, and it's just so many things you can do within this area. I just want to experience staying in this area on my next trip here. When I revisit a country, what I usually try to do is I try to explore a different city, or if I explore the same city, what I try to do is stay in a different location just to see and compare the locations and to see which location I like the most. Because of our plans, we didn't have enough time to go inside the Petronas Twin Towers, but I'm sure the view inside from above is something to put on your must-to-do list while visiting here in Malaysia. Usually if I'm traveling and I'm on an extended travel, which I am on now, I try to visit as many cities as I can, or at least 2 cities in one country. But so far, it's been over 2 weeks and I've been here in Kuala Lumpur. And to be honest, I don't have any plans on leaving this city, visiting another city, because I'm just having so much fun, and also just from meeting new people, gaining new friends. If you made it this far, thanks for watching the video, and until next time, peace out.